Good evening, friends. My name is Raj Kumar. I am from Warangal district. My name is Raj Kumar. I have two sons, Dinesh and Vignesh. My hobbies: playing chess and playing cricket. My wife is housewife. My goal is I learn spoken English. Hi, friends. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Raj Kumar. My qualification is degree. My native place is Warangal. My father's name is Kantaya. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Lakshmi. She is a homemaker. My habits are I like to play chess and cricket. My short-term goal is to learn English fluently. My long-term goal is to become an executive officer. That's all about myself. I thank you very much giving this golden opportunity. Thank you everyone.
కేవలం ఏ గోల్లోనూ మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పించే బాధ్యత నేను తీసుకుంటాను. మీరు ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ పెట్టుకోకుండా లగేజ్తో హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చేసేయండి.